My name's Lucy and I am doing occupational therapy. I'm from the University of Sydney and I'm doing placement at UCRH. It's been good because I've got to speak to so many different other allied health professions, ones that I haven't been able to talk to at all throughout my whole degree. I thought that my education was kind of over at the end of this, my final placement, but I got to go and continue learning things, which has been really nice. I've been lucky enough to be placed in 2 different places, which has been awesome. The multidisciplinary education program has been great. I'd say having Sarah, my supervisor, in that longhand supervision framework has actually been one of the best elements so far, because I've had to manage my own caseload and kind of really take on the role of what an OT would do in real life settings, I guess, a little less structured than the typical placement. It's also been great because I've gotten to be creative, which has been really nice. When you hear about aged care placements, I don't think they're the ones that a lot of OTs run toward, but after being here, I definitely would consider working with older adults a lot more. They've just been a joy to work with. I would say you should take that opportunity even if it scares you. I definitely thought about doing rural placements, but I was actually just put onto this placement and I'm really glad because I didn't take it because I was scared, and then I've been forced to do it and it turned out that I really love it. For me, I actually didn't realize how hard it was to get health support in general. I came in on the first day to the orientation and immediately it was like barrier after barrier after barrier was explained for me about how people are getting access to health. So just going forward, I would definitely think about take a rural health job. If I got the opportunity, I'd be much more likely to take it and hopefully participate in the area at some point. They do a really good job at making you feel at home and making you feel safe. Everyone's very friendly and welcoming and warm, and I think that makes such a difference.